While borderless laptops are now a thing, it was actually Dell that began the trend way back in 2015. And now at CES 2019, this laptop gets an upgrade. Hi, I'm Michael Josh. You're watching GadgetMatch. This is our Dell XPS 13 2019 first look. When it comes to ultra-portable laptops, Dell's XPS 13 is the gold standard. Each year, Dell improves on its product even further, and this year, one of the biggest changes has been to correct one of our biggest gripes with the product. You see, when it introduced the slim bezel form factor, it also meant having no space for the front camera, so it had to relocate it elsewhere. Over the years, we saw two different iterations, one on the bottom left and then in the bottom middle. Neither was flattering for video calls. This year, to solve that problem, Dell's chosen to go with its smallest front camera ever. Small enough to fit in its forehead. There, much better. With that addressed, there's everything to like about this ultra-portable laptop. The rest of the display is as gorgeous as ever. Complementing its Infinity display is a 4K HDR panel, now with Dolby Vision support. That means when you watch movies on Netflix, for example, not only are you getting rich contrast and colors, but you're also getting the same exact settings the creators of the movie intended. For the most part, this year's XPS 13 is an iterative update to the previous model, but it's got the same stuff we love about it. Enough power to tackle most everyday tasks, including the latest 8th gen processor from Intel. While the new XPS 13 is a very capable laptop, I would still have loved to see a discrete graphics card built in for those of us who like to edit videos on the fly. This year at CES, we've seen discrete graphics options from the likes of Asus and Huawei. But that said, Dell's $900 price point makes it a very compelling buy for the everyday user. Other things worth pointing out: ports, 3 USB-C, 2 of which with Thunderbolt support, a headphone jack, and a micro SD card reader. A built-in fingerprint scanner baked into the power button, comfortable keyboard and trackpad, and another XPS favorite, a soft matte interior finish. On this new all-white Frost variant, the palm rest is made of woven glass fiber. And that was our Dell XPS 13 2019 first look. For more videos from CES 2019, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video, follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.